It's time for dinner at a place that's been keeping Albany cool for generations, the Icehouse. And what used to be the town's actual ice house is now the place where locals gather for ice-cold drinks, comfort food and steaks, and a musical cage match. This is owner Melissa Williams.
This is our Icehouse ponchos. It's like nachos, but with the Icehouse flair.
And fried jalapenos?
Fried jalapenos.
That's going to light me up, though, in a little while if I'm not careful, huh?
Maybe.
That's what the margarita's for.
Wash it down.
So this would have been basically the one place in town where you had the mechanics to get cold enough to freeze water.
So they use salt and ammonia to make the ice with, and the big machinery was in this room.
Gosh, we have life so easy now.
I know.
It just comes out of a fountain at the thing, you know, like.
They didn't have this nice little nugget ice.
No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Our great-grandparents would have their minds blown. How did it become this?
That was my mother. She was telling me all about it. It had the skylight, and when I first came in, it was full of dirt. And I said, "Where's the skylight?" You know, all I could see was all the mess. She had a vision, and she put it together, and here we are.
Well, how cool that your mom started. Now you run it. Your daughter's back here working, and you still like each other.
For the most part.
Yeah. Sure. If you see me crying, it's because that jalapeno I ate just.
Oh.
Y'all left a couple of the seeds in that one.
Did we?
Woo!
Is that one a little warm?
A little bit. Okay, we're going back to this.
Yeah.
Everything in here feels 100 years old. The country music in the cage is giving Roadhouse vibes, and the smells from the kitchen are giving hunger pains. They still use Melissa's mom's original recipes, but it's the smell of mesquite fire that's really getting my juices flowing.
Woo! Woo! Look at that.
I almost burned these precious hands of mine.
Good job,
I have
Chef.
to keep them good to eat on camera.
Absolutely. Secret
All right, what's the
sauce.
secret to cooking good steak, Deanna?
It's a secret.
All right, well, we're done back here. Let's go back. I wouldn't give it away either. Let's eat. Time for a little Albany-style surf and turf. And I can almost taste it through my nostrils, the smell coming off of this thing. Perfect cook, not over-seasoned, cooked over fire. That right there is one of the most tender, juicy steaks I've ever had. This building is a one-of-a-kind. I mean, there's an ambiance in here you can never recreate if you were to build new construction. And after I polish off a little steak and shrimp, it's time for the locally famous, never duplicated Icehouse bread pudding. It tastes like a cinnamon roll had a baby with a wedding cake, and then it got covered in melted butter and vanilla caramel bourbon sauce. Heaven. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.